Mrs. Horn, is there any method you use when choosing the city to set up an exhibition? Why did you choose Maribor, and what is the concept of the exhibition Maribor project?
Thank you that I'm allowed to be here, and that was possible to create this exhibition here, but it was not that I had chosen Maribor. It was that I was invited through Haydena, I think, and through Alex. And they contacted me, and so and it was nearly 2 years ago, and we had a long time to talk, and they came several times to my art center in Germany, and then I had the idea that it would be wonderful that it's not me alone, that it's a kind of dialogue between younger artists and myself. So, and also with music, and then later came also Alex with this idea of poets. So I think it's fantastic, and we named it the Maribor project. And yeah, and now we are here. Thank you.
You're not only the artist, you spent quite a lot of your time passing your knowledge and experiences to younger people, to students. What is the most important message you want to pass on younger artists?
That they understand that art is, they have to learn to stay free, and that means they should not be dependent on galleries at the beginning and things like this. So they find slowly their own roots, and then they create, like a tree, they create their art. And I was teaching 18 years in the academy in Berlin, and they were passing through a lot of wonderful young artists, and yeah, but I'm very happy that I stopped teaching, because now only artists, no more professors.
Thank you.